to Ibiza. So we are on the way to surprise Iffy. I'm so excited. Temmie says that they're upstairs and Iffy still should not know. We're about to pull up on a beat on her birthday, well, the day before her birthday. So yeah, I'm so excited. I just get high. Okay, peace signs please, like damn, period. Love that. Wow, what a view. Honestly. So we have just arrived. We have arrived at Oku Hotels and we are just signing in. Is it? Everyone was on our plane. We don't know each other well, so the girlies are over here. Survive? It's a vibe. Happy birthday to Iffy. Happy birthday! She doesn't even know what she's opening. Oh my god! Read it. Iffy's 29 boy! Oh my god, I love this! I absolutely love this. I absolutely love this. Yeah.
But you know what? You should have your own because it's captured from your
Yours has got your name on it.
We have just opened one of Iffy's gifts, which is this personalized hip flasks, and it says Iffy 29 and fine Ibiza. So we have just arrived at Oku Hotel. The girls are making plans. Temmie's trying to find out what we're going to be doing. I'm so excited. Birthday girl, come and say hi. How are you feeling? Why are you looking like this? At the moment, we're just waiting for the other girls' room to get ready, and then we're gonna have a shower, and then get partying. Watched Dot putting deodorant underneath her boobs. That's crazy, but you know it makes sense because Dot it's actually funny. When we went in Barbados, I wore this dress. The whole dress is dry and then all you can see is just like grey nasty sweat, salt. So I might start putting deodorant underneath her boobs. That's definitely for the big titty community. This is from Egypt, from where I cracked my ribs. Woo! It's some oud oil. You know the oud in Egypt is where it's at.
Because it's 29 and fine.
Literally 29. Silence. Let me smell this. It was actually quite nice, wasn't it?
I finished my other one.
Oh.
Is that one nice?
Oh, I'm glad you brought this. Wow. And it's an oil as well, guys. So an oud oil is always gonna be stronger than anything else. Oh, we got a room service. One sec, let me get it. Oh, hello.
How are you?
It was great.
Would you mind if I come in?
She's naked, so I'll just take it.
Well, if you can just give me back the tray, that would be amazing.
Right, 1 second.
Yeah, you can take it, don't worry.
So this is pineapple and apple.
Yeah, pineapple and both 2 pineapple juices and 2 apple juices.
Thank you. Dot, you're hiding on the ground.
I won't come in, don't worry. There you go, perfect. Anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all
Perfect,
good.
thank you very much. Have a good day.
Guess how much these 4 juices are, guys? 2 pineapple juice, plain, no alcohol. 2 apple juice, plain,
Let me put my guess.
no alcohol. Take a guess.
€7 each.
They're 33 euros for all 4. That means, what's the math? The math ain't nothing. 33 divided by 4.
Yeah, around 8.
It's not even computing in my head.
Okay, 8.
What I wanted to come and show you guys is the fact that we came here with just one of these and one of these. Now let me show you how much stuff I packed. Because Dot says that she impressively packed a lot, but I don't know, Dot.
Let me see.
Let me show you, girl. So in here, I have 2 packing cubes. The first packing cube has my sunnies, 4 pairs of sunnies, and then I've got this here. This is the Hangover recovery kit for Effie for her birthday, but she doesn't know that we have this. So I have like a ton of stuff in here, literally. So much stuff in here. Second packing cube, 1 pair of shoes, 2 pairs of shoes, 3 pairs of shoes, 4 pairs of shoes, speaker.
Duct tape now.
If somebody tries to get aggressive with us, this is for the boobs. This is backup for boob tape because I have boob tape as well, but you never know. I've got my other wig in here, 2 more bags. And then I have this, which is all of my tech. This is just 1 bag, guys. I haven't even opened my suitcase. You have to get this and you have to get these. I'm gonna have them linked below because what? We've just had a shower, getting ready. I'm in my bride era. I don't know why I'm going back to this era, but I just, I'm not a bride. Well, I still am. I still have 1 more to go. We're gonna do our nyombo, and that's basically like the trad. It's like the dowry payments. I guess I'm still in my bride era, but yeah, this is my fit. It's giving meshki swim on the white swimsuit. The skirt is also meshki, and I'm enjoying wearing it a little bit low. What do you think? Low?
Looks good. Look good. Yeah, look at the fit.
Yeah.
Oh, yes,
oh,
yes.
Fit check. No, give it to them.
Oh.
It's so cute.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, Iffy, fit check. Wow. She said blue.
A blue.
Birthday girl is looking better. Wow. Yeah, it's healthy. Everything good and healthy. I love it. My fit check. You already see my fit too. I love it. You know what? Your brown goes with your hair as well.
That's what Effie was just saying.
Your brown proper goes with your hair. Everybody must finish their drink.
Are you sure? Do we have duct tape?
Oh, duct tape. This is if a tries us.
Oh, like that.
No, this is for boobs, but you don't relate because your boobs set up, so you can't relate.
No, they don't.
No, you can't relate. You stay out of the
use duct
conversation.
tape.
Do you?
I used duct tape to tell his birthday. I used duct tape. You couldn't see it.
So why you asking why you got duct tape? You know why we have
I didn't know people did that.
It's a
very
real
ghetto.
Okay.
That is very ghetto. Goodness. Oh, life of a content creator.
Thank you.
Clink, dot. Oh wait, no, hold on.
Feliz Navidad.
Is that happy birthday? Is that Merry cumpleaños? Feliz cumpleaños?
Whee! That one. Cumpleaños.
Go down and a wine and a bubble and Batty jar does a jump is a trouble and me and a man does a couple and a cuddle boom. Pat the body head and me we bust it like a bubble and you know with me boom boom. On the body me a wine and a boom
That's showtime. 29 and 5. 29 and 5. Taking a nap. Guys, look at me. Look at my neck. I've tanned. Have you? Haven't had a look yet. I've tanned.
Guys, I tan in 76 seconds. All I need to do is just have a little bit of sunshine. And we need to be out of this hotel at exactly 11 o'clock. We all agreed. Oh, girl. What kind of girls trip is this that I'm taking a nap like this? Because I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Like, we literally woke up at 5 a.m. this morning. We got back from Nassau Beach. Nassau Beach was good. Nassau Beach was fun. The music was not my vibe. The music was not my vibe really, but it actually wasn't also as offensive as it could have been. Don't you think, Doc? Like, it could have been real but it was like probably like half The food was really good. The portions were really great, like big portions. We just kind of stayed there, chilled there for a few hours, and then when the sun was starting to set, we left because it gets cold. It starts getting cold real quick when there's no sun. Y'all awake? Where's...
Is your room cold? Are you guys
Babe, we put the heat at 28 degrees before we slept.
cold in this place?
But it didn't warm up. Has your place warmed up? Get ready for 11 o'clock and then we can take our pictures after we've ordered our taxi.
Hey, that doesn't give time at all.
What time do you want to take? When do you want to do pictures? Only because...
We'll try and get ready. Like, we're going to get up now. If he's basically did her hair, so she's done it, she could.
Yeah.
Me, it takes me 30 minutes, so we'll be ready by 11.
Yeah, ready by 11. Just quick pics, nothing crazy, because we don't want to miss out on, like, we don't want to be in a queue on her birthday. Do you know what I mean?
No, of course.
We want to be sat down, drink in hand, shot, lined up. This yawn has to go.
Sorry, I've got... I might make a coffee quickly.
No, me too. I need a coffee too. This is the speaker of life. This is a Wonder Boom, and I'm gonna have it linked down for you guys. Doc's the DJ. DJ! Yeah. Turn it up! Turn it up. Heavy on it. When I say that I tan quickly, let me show you so you guys can understand. So on my face right now, I have just applied my usual contour shade. Guys, we were at the beach for like literally 2, maybe 3 hours at most. So my usual color when I'm in the UK, as in the color that I was like 6 hours ago, max, is this. And this one on the left is what I have just applied all over my face. When I say that I tan quickly, I ain't lying. Like, I fully have my contour, my usual contour shade on. And it's, she's blending. The girl is blended in. That's why I always travel with my darker shade.
My comeback season back in the day, and ended up losing every. I still got 10.
I saw Gary doing his makeup and he sprayed setting spray. And then he used a fan, and then he put his setting powder, and then he sprayed again. So I'm gonna do the same, because Gary's makeup always looks so good, like so good. This is it, it's coming together. Guys, I absolutely love my hair. I feel like some of my gems are falling off though. So I feel like I definitely had a few more, but I love this. This is such a smart idea. Shout out to whoever came up with this idea of having a hairstyle underneath a hairstyle. 20 minutes left for me to finish getting ready. I already know what I'm wearing, so it's fine. How are you getting on, Dot? You're about to finish? Damn, you do your makeup quick. Dot, you can take over the music, please. I hate DJing.
Bro, I don't care. The music is fine.
Is you sure? Yeah. That's the worst part. When you're given the aux cord, I'm like, please, no, not me. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I've been listening to the same music since 2015, literally. I haven't moved on. I'm not a music head. I'm one of those people who can very easily spend time in the house completely silent, like just in my head, in my thoughts. There's plenty of those. I don't even need music. The plan tonight is to head to Soul City, which is a club. It's so funny because my brother came to Ibiza before when he was in uni, like many years ago, and when he came back home, he just kept telling us about stories about this crazy place called Soul City. Guess where we're going? Soul City. Head up. Soul City, here it comes. Fit check. Guys, this is my outfit for the night. This top is from Zara. The trousers are PLT and my shoes are Mango. This is where I have all my jewelry. And I think I might just go Gold. Gold, 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 gold. Oh, this is the drama. That might be birthday bonus. So maybe I might do classic. And then some bangles. I've just bought some new black-owned bangles that I cannot wait to arrive. Might do this one. These two. It's giving 3 minutes away, girls. Should we not have walked?
No.
And who's got the highest shoes? I should be quiet. Who's got the highest shoes?
Look. This is what you see on Sunset.
What even is that? Oh, it's a tattoo parlor. Y'all want tattoos? I mean, no, guys, I'm down. I could be susceptible to a tattoo. A little something. Soul City. Soul City, what's up? It's her birthday. It's her birthday, girl. We're just smiling. That's what we are. Whose birthday? Oh, is it your birthday too? It's your birthday. It's your birthday. You're the birthday girl. You're the birthday girl. You're the birthday girl. Ah, you're the birthday girl. Good morning, guys. Just grabbing some food for breakfast. It's so pretty here. It's so cute in here, guys. So cute. I love all of these pots. It's giving major inspo. It's a buffet style breakfast. Wow, this all looks so good. With clinking plates. How are they going to leave a whole bottle of champagne there? It's a big mess up on their behalf. It's a big, big, big mess up.
29 and 5.
29 and fine. Cheers, guys.
Go, shawty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday.
This is very nice. So this is the family pool, right? And then that's still Oku Hotels across the road. The girls are late, but the girls are en route.
And you know we don't give a fuck. It's not your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need the
Ice, baby, for real. Hello. Hi, Andres. Iffy, 29. Don't make those noises. Oh, yeah, you did. Lordy, Lord.
When I roll 20 deep, it's always drama in the club. Now that I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. When you sell like Eminem, you can bring me a groupie love. Like, homie, ain't nothing changed. Roll down, cheese up.
Beautiful. We have options. Now everybody has to pick. Are you a hot mess?
Can I take that too?
Hot mess too. Designated drunk.
Hot mess too. That's one of these.
Lydia.
That's definitely one of these. Oh, that's Lydia as well.
What's this one? What, party animal?
That's
I'll
you.
take this.
Yeah.
I'll take the party
I
animal.
might be the selfie addict.
Sophie, I did.
Yes. Crown.
I'll put it on after my picture. Let me take
Oh,
pictures
do it
again.
after. And then this, who's this? Shot Queen.
Oh, that's one of you
Yeah,
too.
that's lovely.
Oh, bad influence. That's Lydia again.
Bad
How?
Lydia is a bad influence. I mean, the truth.
We like the bad sexy and single.
Sexy and single.
Oh, that's a bit of me.
Yeah, but yeah.
Yeah.
You can get two.
Thank you so much.
And then what's this one? Partner in crime. That's for you two, really.
Yeah.
You're like partners in crime.
Excuse me.
My flow.
Not the Fanta keeping the window open. This is downstairs of the cabin. It's got like a bed. It's got a kitchenette with a microwave, a sink, and then in here there's also a toilet. It's kind of big. Oh, and also a seating area. You can fit like a few people here. If you're on the call to her mum, we said let's get that call in before we get these in.
Yes, I'm including my friends. Amen. Thank you, Mom. I love you. Is this Chanel okay?
With a bottle of bug, come on, they know where we be. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a bar. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a bar. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. Don't try to act like you don't know who we be, neither. We in the club all the time, it's a problem, pop off. Shady aftermath.
Ify, what's up?
Dinga, let's fish this. You can see the fish.
You can see the fish?
Can you see them?
Oh shit, it's a bit cold still though.
Is that you, Mac?
Oh my god, they're gonna fucking eat me up. I need a pedicure. Wow. Can you do it again? It feels like eat me. It's on you. Stop putting it in the water is wet and the fish is wild. Ify, you're not helping us. Ify, you're not helping this up at all. We've got the birthday girl throwing food. Go on, feed them more.
That was huge.
Okay, I'm hot. I'm getting in the water.
Look at you giving back to nature on your birthday. What's that, Boris Johnson? That guy.
Boris.
Boris.
Yeah. We see you.
Thank you. Ibiza rock.
We're going to Ibiza
Rocks, yes. Woo. We are in the supermarket just looking for snacks. We are not going into Ibiza Rocks because it's a bit dead in there still right now. But I'm looking for hot Cheetos and they don't have hot Cheetos, but they got these. Like, what the hell is a pandilla? Pandilla. I need hot Cheetos. Guys, this is the same Patron that's 60 euros in our hotel. Here, it's 37.
2070, please. Can I please get a slushy as well, please? Me? Yes, please.
And it's barbecue. It's like toasted or something. Dot is trying to take my sash.
Yeah.
I was just elected the bad influence this morning.
And then
I'm
got elected. You got delected.
to Napster.
Yeah. It ain't cute.
Yeah, good evening, guys. I'm just waking up from my nap. Oh God, my sister's fighting her own demons as she gets into bed. I've just woken up from a nap from a lovely coffee from Dot. Thanks, babe.
Tell them why you're drinking coffee in bed at 6 p.m.
Guys, I fell off. Okay, I fell off. I needed a nap. So we came in and literally, guys, I had one Haribo in one hand and my phone in the other. And I was like, okay, cool. I'm just going to edit my pictures real quick. I'm going to post my stories. Tell me why I literally fell asleep with a Haribo in my hand and a phone in my hand. And I was just like finished. I don't know about you, but the swimming and the sun and drinking, those three together, energy zappers. But it's okay. I'm up, having some coffee. I don't even want to look at the time. I'm scared to look at the time because I know that we're way past. What time? Don't even tell me. We'll just go with vibes. Boat was so much fun. The captain was amazing. The captain looked after us. I always love it when we go and do something and the person who's giving the providing the service is like actually caring, and not caring from a point where like, you know, like because it's their job, but they actually care for you as people, as humans. And I really felt that today from the captain. So it was really lovely. Birthday girl enjoyed herself. Nobody had seasickness, which was so good. No seasickness, all just very good freaking vibes, literally. The makeup gods are working for me. They're coming together for the second night in a row. I love this. Guys, let me know, what's the darkest shade? Which brand does the darkest shade of concealers? Because I need something real dark, especially, oh, not my beauty blender, no, on the floor. Almost ready. I have taped up my boobs. I'll show you my dress in a minute. What I've done is I've taped it up, you know, with boob tape up, but I don't have double-sided boob tape to tape my dress to my body. Does that make sense? Now I just need to decide. Coming in! Yes, you wore the brown dress. Yes, well done. Happy birthday, girl. Wow, you look so cute.
Wow. You look good.
You're lovely. Oh my god.
Real freaking cute.
This for me.
Oh, this baby.
Oh, this for me.
Wow, look at this.
Oh, this for me.
You wanna see my dress?
Yes, absolutely. Oh, this is, of course. Thank you. Give us a 12.
This is, of course, you like.
Absolutely
look at the titties.
stunning. They are sitting. Yeah.
Especially this part.
The arch.
The arch of the back.
Should I keep this on you?
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
It's not too tight.
And then when you come back, when we're going to Seoul City, we'll change
I'm
to...
gonna put that dirty short purple thing on.
Yeah.
I'm
That's
gonna put some of my stuff in your bag.
Okay, which, yeah, of
Because
course.
I did not come with a bag.
That's fine. I've got 2 bags, by the way.
For like a dressy.
Yeah. There's a big gold one and a small one. The big... Yeah. One thing about Lydia...
She's gonna come prepared. Honestly. Because I used to straighten my hair. My SPF.
Your SPF to
It's
straighten...
greasy.
Oh, wow.
So I used it to
Hairdresser hacks.
I used it to curl this hair. Thank you, girls.
You're welcome. I need to take this to me.
Can't you roll the duct tape? Yeah? Roll the duct tape. I have to do that 2 times.
So Iffy has just come up with a very, very smart idea to roll the tape. Oh, there goes my earring. To roll the tape on itself and then stick that on me for it to stick on the dress. That's so smart. And because it's brown, it's even better. Oh, wow. Women in tech. Crispy up. Ooh. Bit me. Oh, the worst boomerang ever.
I didn't even get it. See what's going on there.
Well done. I can't wait to wear this dress on a date with Zamini.
I love that thing. There's so many outfits I wear and I'm just like, I can't wait to wear it for my man.
Yeah, I hear you.
Sometimes I look at myself and I think, shit, like you just suck. I'm even upset that I look this good and single.
No, it only gets better. It gets better. As in, you can only look better than this. Do you know what I mean?
Amen. I'm looking at the camera. I'm admiring myself.
I was about to say, she's only looking at herself. The way she was lovingly looking into my eyes yesterday, I knew it had. I had to ask.
I've been feeling myself.
Are you looking at
25
me?
is gone over my head for real.
Good.
I'm happy with it.
As it should.
Make me
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Alright, y'all, we don't have our voices.
My voice is gone. We had time. Okay?
I did. I slept. My voice is gone because it's cold.
Oh, yeah? You cold from the restaurant?
Cold from the restaurant, cold from the room.
Oh, the room is so cold, guys. It's okay. Oh, shit. Wait.
Coming.
We're trying to make Ify's bag. 1 second. Of course I'm coming.
It's finished in 20 minutes.
Let's go then.
Let's go.
Guys, we need to make the hangover recovery kit. Get your best. Blend this for Ify.
So I'll make theirs this one. And you hold this. We don't, do we need to bring us? Do you have to bring us?
Take them with us. So we're just about to go to breakfast. I'm taking this with us. Hungry recovery kits. Yes, I think I need it the most.
Yeah, we need it.
I wish I brought some Strepsils. Now I know for next time.
Oh, girl.
Put Strepsils in
The recovery kit.
in your recovery kit. What the hell?
It's this one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit it. This one thing and I was so with it. It's this one thing you did. Hey, we don't know each other well, so why I
Once a day, keep something away. I don't know.
Did you have a good birthday?
You did?
I asked you that last night. But I waited for you to answer in my head.
Oh.
And no answer came.
I know what's good.
She was like, damn.
She didn't like it.
I mean, isn't it obvious?
Not bad.
Fantastic. You guys, oh my god. Like, I don't know how to top this. I don't think I can possible.
Don't
Gotta
worry
do
about
yourself,
it.
babe.
Just enjoy yourself, innit? I'm glad you enjoyed yourself. I've personally had a fantastic time. Personally.
Yeah, I needed this.
Yeah.
And it's felt longer than 2 days. It's felt actually like a week.
It felt like.
We've been doing back to back.
Yeah.
Everything from the day we like.
That's what I like.
Time we like it, honestly.
No dilly, no dally. Today's probably the only dilly day that we have.
Drop the roof and let the smoke in. I got diamonds doing tussie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the.
Where the niggas at? I got a man though.
Wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass.
Guys, please look at me and look at Ify. What's going on? Why is she so ready?
And why you know?
I'm a lover boy. She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you,
Ify's waist is missing and the police needs to know. Cause I'm scared.
Stop it, guys.
You look good. My God.
Stop it.
Yikes.
Stop it, guys.
I didn't even
Stop it, but you
Stop it,
shy, guys.
They look good. Ah. Every time I pan to me, it just stresses me out. Like
Don't be stressed.
Girl, why you stressed? What's on yet?
ah.
young stunner, till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, some action. These days, no MIA. Niggas be blasting.
Oh wow. I think she knows she a 10. Damn. She her baddie friend.
Wow. I'm gonna be the baddie friend if I have to.
She can be the baddie friend because she is the baddie sister. Mister, I know I ain't messing with ya because you my
sister
Carissa.
from the same.
Mister.
What's up, guys? It is dinner time. We are just going across the road, literally, to go and have dinner. And then we're going for the 3rd time in a row to Soul City. I'm tired, but we love it. We love it. Hi. Nice.
No, I'm not getting any angle right here.
Hello. Buenos noches. Iffy 29, I'm fine. Last night, everybody, can you give me a recap? What are we doing tonight? Where are we going?
Soul City, guys. That's our soul.
Again. For the 3rd night in a row.
3, baby.
Hello, last night. Ibiza. Soul City, baby.
It's not drunk. Yeah, me too. My voice. Our voice is gone. I think it's so sexy.
What did you say about Ibiza?
It's like a bad boyfriend.
Why?
Girls always come back for more.
We out. What?